What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, is our 16th day of our 30 days make money online Clickbank challenge, where we are going to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic from scratch and without having to spend any money in any paid traffic and promotions. So today is 16th day, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys what has been going on inside the accounts, if you make any sale, if you get any traffic, and I'm also going to show you guys the social media accounts, also what I've been posting on the different social media accounts, and if we are actually getting anything going viral. So today, guys, I'm just going to go inside the account. I'm just going to make a quick video to just show you guys an update on what has been going on inside the account. So what I do is that I show you guys updates every single day of what I've been doing, and also updates also on what has been going on inside our Clickbank accounts, so that hopefully we're going to make money by the end of this 30 days Clickbank make money online challenge using 100% free traffic from scratch. So the first thing we're going to do from here is we're going to go to our dashboard and we're going to see if we actually made any money, and also we're going to go to our reporting and see how much traffic we are getting from our different free traffic sources from Instagram, Pinterest, and on Pinterest, and on TikTok. So what we're going to do from here is that the first thing we're going to go right here, we're going to click on the dashboard and let's see our results from here. So let me just wait for this to load. So as you can see from here, we have never made any sale yet. So this is the 16th day, and hopefully by the end of this 30 days we're going to make money. So we're going to put a lot more effort and try to drive as much traffic as possible, so that we are going to hopefully make our first money on Clickbank. So this is a realistic journey where I show you guys how we can make money in 30 days using 100% free traffic from scratch, and I'm going to attempt to try and make money in 30 days from scratch using 100% free traffic and from free traffic sources. So we're going to click on our reporting and let's see how much traffic we are getting right now. So let me wait for this to load. So you can see right now we have just gotten only one click. So by the end of today, we are surely going to get at least 10 plus clicks. So let me show you guys yesterday and let's see how much traffic we got yesterday. Let me click on yesterday and click on apply. I can see that yesterday we got up to 10 clicks to our affiliate offer from here. So this one is Clickbank University. So you can see right here, yesterday we got 10 clicks. So if you check right now, you discover that we are getting about 10 clicks to, for example, 9 to 10 clicks plus every single day from our different free traffic sources. So what we're going to do is we're going to just be posting a lot more content and stay consistent on our social media accounts, and we are going to be getting a lot more traffic, and hopefully we are going to be getting like 20 plus clicks every single day, so that we can go and make our first sale as soon as possible using this 100% free traffic method. So let me show you guys, for example, the social media accounts. If I go, for example, right here, I'm just going to show you guys one of the accounts right here. So this is our Pinterest accounts. As you can see in the other videos, I've shown you guys a lot of times our Pinterest accounts. So what I'm doing from here is that I'm just going to be posting consistent content on these Pinterest accounts. Right now we have up to 4 Pinterest accounts, but we're going to be increasing that number so we can go and get a lot more clicks and get a lot more, and hopefully get a lot more sales, and hopefully make money in that remaining days that are remaining to complete this 30 days challenge. So you can go and check the accounts right here as I show you guys in the other video. This is our first Pinterest account from here. It's getting views every single day, and what I'm doing from here is I'm just posting content on this page right here, and we're getting views every single day. As I've shown you guys the other Pinterest accounts, so let me show you guys the other Pinterest accounts that I've shown in the previous video. So you're watching the challenge, since you're going to see that I've been showing you guys a lot of different Pinterest accounts that we've been posting content on. This another Pinterest accounts, and this another one as well, and also this is another Pinterest account where we're posting content every single day, and we're inputting a link in our bio to try and drive as much traffic as possible to our Clickbank account, so that we are going to hopefully make our first money by the end of this 30 days of this challenge right here. So we go right here to our Pinterest accounts as well. You can see right here, if I reload this to our Instagram accounts, you can see this is our second Instagram account that we created from here, that we're posting content every single day, and we are trying as much as possible to make our first sale from this particular Instagram account. So let me just wait for this to load. As I'm waiting for that to load, this is our first Instagram account from here that we're also posting content every single day to get targeted free traffic. So let me reload this right here. Let me wait for this one to load. So you can see from here I'm still posting consistent content on this particular Instagram page. From here I go back to this other one. You're also going to see I'm still posting consistent content from this on this particular account as well. So go ahead to the TikTok account. So let me just reload this. You're also going to see that we're getting free traffic as well every single day from this particular TikTok account. I'm just posting different styles of video every single day, and some of them are getting thousands of views, some of them are getting, for example, 1 view and 0 views. But the one that go and get, for example, 1,000 plus views, I get some clicks from here. So hopefully we're going to make money as well by the end of this. As you can see from here, I'm just posting different styles of video, and some of them get a lot of views and some of them don't get views. So that is how it's just going to be normal. If you are starting, for example, a brand new TikTok account, you are going to be trying a lot of different styles of content, because you're not just going to post one video and get 1,000 views. You're going to try different styles of content. Once you find the one that works well, then you are going to go and concentrate on that particular content. So that's it, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick update of what has been going on inside the accounts, and hopefully by the end of this remaining 30 days, by the end of these remaining days, we are going to make money. So right now, we are remaining only with 14 days, and hopefully we are going to make our first sale by the end of these 14 days, as long as we are getting clicks. So if you keep getting clicks, we are going to make money by the end of these remaining 14 days. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to show you guys in the next video. I'm just going to update you guys on what has been going on behind the scenes, and other Pinterest accounts I've been creating, and also other ways I've been using to go and drive traffic to our Clickbank affiliate offer, so we can go and make our first sale right here. So that's it, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video.